Hello from LegalShield. First things first, what's legal protection and why should you want it? Quite simply, a legal protection plan gives you access to legal advice for a low monthly fee. Normally, lawyers are, well, expensive. We're talking approximately $250 an hour expensive. But with a LegalShield plan, you can spend a little less than that for an entire year of access to an established law firm. So, $250 for 1 hour with a lawyer, or the peace of mind that you have access to an entire law firm when you need it. That's a pretty easy choice. If you've recently received legal assistance, this probably all sounds great. If not, you may be wondering, why would you ever need a law firm? It turns out a law firm can help with all kinds of things you may not have even realized, such as helping you with your will, traffic tickets, IRS audits, going over contracts, whatever personal legal situation you face. Your law firm can help you make the best decision while ensuring you know your full legal rights. So why choose LegalShield? For starters, LegalShield has been in business for 40 years, and right now over 1.4 million families trust LegalShield as their legal protection provider. LegalShield has partnered with a dedicated full-service law firm in your state, which means you always have an established law firm dedicated to helping you. So you have legal assistance when you need it, even 24/7 access for covered emergencies. Just call your law firm and you'll speak with a lawyer about your specific personal legal issue within 8 hours or less. And download the My LegalShield app for easy access to your law firm wherever you are when legal issues come up. As soon as you're a LegalShield member, your law firm can give you advice on personal legal situations, write letters or make phone calls on your behalf, and review personal contracts and documents up to 15 pages in length. Plus, you're covered with 60 hours of trial and trial prep time over the next year, with an additional 60 hours added each year for the first 5 years. That means that if you're named defendant or respondent in a covered civil case, you'll have the peace of mind that a prepared, experienced attorney is on your side. Clearly, legal protection is good, and LegalShield is the best. Now let's talk specific plans. LegalShield has a family plan and an individual plan. The family plan covers you and family members, including your spouse or significant other, never married dependent children under 26 who are living at home or are full-time students, children up to 18 for whom you are a legal guardian, and any physically or mentally disabled child for life. The individual plan covers a single individual without any dependents. Both LegalShield memberships include legal assistance on all personal legal matters, from the trivial to the traumatic. So whether it involves a moving traffic violation, real estate, consumer law, estate planning, or IRS tax audit, the bottom line is, yep, you need a law firm. So make the smart decision today and get the legal protection everyone deserves with LegalShield. Worry less, live more.